I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 1 hour chart, pullback. Let's talk about it. I was doing a live screen share earlier in the group, and I was taking some profits, shaving some profits off, paying myself. Don't forget to pay yourself. And people were asking, well, what are you doing? And I'm like, yeah, I got to close. I got to take some profits. You know, you run up here and you hit this, and then you get rejected hard. And then again, you run up here and you see this rejection. And so that's what I was looking for. Now, how much of a rejection do we see? What type of pattern is being formed here? I mean, we've got a lot to talk about. Make sure watch this video to the end. So again, I'm trying to figure out, well, what pattern are we forming here? Is we going to get some kind of bull pennant? We're going to get some type of triangle? Well, no. I mean, we're gathering data every minute of every day. I mean, you definitely don't want to see a breakdown of this level 23,518. But we talked about a scenario where you put in another low, so where this is your low, high, and another low, and then potentially a higher high, and how that plays in with the stock market. Now, it's a holiday for banks in the United States tomorrow, so that doesn't, there's normally volatility Sunday night, Monday morning, which is still possible because world markets are going to be open. But you've already seen the Bitcoin pullback, and a lot of people are going to be talking about a double top here on the lower term time frames. Double top. Which would really be confirmed on a break. You start to lose this level, right? Then you could come down here. You're kind of working in this range, right? Where this is the range high up here. And then, your mid-range and then the range low, okay? You see previously you have this rising channel. It broke higher. And then, again, a bull flag breaks to the downside. But then double bottom, break to the upside. So I added this green ascending channel, which we've seen, if this is Bitcoin's bullish moment to take off, we've seen these giant patterns break out to the upside after sweeping the lows, take off to the upside. So will we see this again? And we're going to key in on this. I'm going to keep you guys updated, so don't worry. Now, if we look at this idea, again, we're marking on this chart. Here's what we're looking at. You've got this level right here, right, as resistance, right? You've got, if the bulls are able to break 25,000 on the weekly, which didn't happen this week, then a real quick run to 28,500, maybe even 29,000 up here. All right, here, see all this? This was this floor. Now it's a ceiling. So to get a move up here, you need some bullish price action. We're going to see what Bitcoin is capable of, because a lot of people are talking about this death cross. You got a death cross on the weekly. I can't even remember the last time that happened, right? And you see, we saw a golden cross on the daily, and then Bitcoin, I don't really talk about it. Golden cross on the daily, and then Bitcoin dumped right here. Right, and then obviously it pumped immediately after. So I don't get too caught up in the golden crosses, because there's plenty of times where they do exactly the opposite of what you think they will. Right, these are lagging indicators. The 50 moving average is an average of the last 50 candle closes. Well, this is a weekly chart, so this is taking data from 50 weeks ago. This is a 200 weekly simple moving average, 200 weeks ago. It's taking data, the average. Weekly 200 simple moving average. Technically a death cross, but more importantly, and I brought this up in group, and I didn't say death cross because I don't want you to get emotions involved in this, but I want you to pay attention. This high back here did not get broken. I want you to look at these simple moving averages. You can call them what you want, but they're resistance, okay? Because the price action's underneath them. So you did have a bullish engulfing candle, so it was a solid weekly move, but unable to close and break and hold the 200 or the 50. Everything changes when the price action can break and hold the 200. Now, can we see a break and flip of that? You want to see $41,000 Bitcoin, $35,000 Bitcoin? these numbers start to make sense real quick when you flip this. I mean, this is a major event if this were to occur. It hasn't yet. I've got some amazing shout outs. Amazing is not even the word. These gem picks are getting insane. Like, I just have to pull the recent, let me just pull real quick out of the winners group. And this is just from yesterday. 159% gains, Moon City. There's no leverage involved here. No leverage, 146%, 159%, 84.80. If you are not in the right coins and you're tired of losing, we do this every day. I need you guys. Like, you guys make me get out of bed every day. You guys give me reason to do what I do because your success drives me. I want to get emails like this. I want to get text messages like this. I want to know that I'm playing a role in changing lives forever. This person says just grown $100 into $10,000. It's 100x. Again, that's another one. This person, every day cashing $500 capital since I talked to you. 25 gains today. It's 15,000 a month. The Kucoin gem picks are life-changing. This person started on Kucoin 3 months ago with $300. He's now at over $30,000. $30,000. Another 100x. Like, there's a point in time where I told you, like, gem pick season, we're here. We've been posting them. Make sure follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. I'll post them from time to time on there, but it's crazy. The small cap season, small cap altcoin season on Kucoin, all these projects are booming. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Now, this is the ES1. So this is actually open. Now, stock market's not open. And so I'm looking and I'm thinking, okay, is this a bull flag? Are we going to get a breakout and move to the upside? Or do we see one breakdown where this is the low, the high? This is still a higher low. You can even come down here and retest and then break out for much higher prices out of Bitcoin, right? So I'm watching and I'm paying attention because right now you've got resistance. See how price rejected, right? Price rejected. Now you're right under this resistance. It's not good, not good. And so again, you do not, if this thing breaks down, you're thinking, okay, Bitcoin, you're looking for a place to pick up some Bitcoin at better and lower prices. This is the total too. And if you think about this, and this is why a lot of people don't see what I'm talking about when I talk about these Kucoin coins. If you're not on Kucoin, you don't see it because the large caps are not doing the same thing as the small caps, right? Right here, you're looking at after the breakout, and this is over the last, let's say, this is a 3-day chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over the last 10 candles, which is 30 days, you've seen a 12% increase in all the altcoins. That's it. Go to Kucoin right now, and you will not believe the amount of money that is flowing into these small caps. Right now, it's like the whales got bored and they're pumping the heck out of these coins from last season, the exact same coins. They're pumping these coins crazy. This here, look, right here. There is a Kucoin link, VIP link in the description. Look, 133%, 95%, 87%, 65%, 46, 43, 38, 36, 36, 30. If you have a situation where Bitcoin's bullish on a Friday and just kind of moves sideways throughout the weekend, these altcoins will be on fire, and they've all taken turns pump city. Like, it is a phenomenon. Now, Litecoin halving, if you like the large caps, which I do, Litecoin has been one of my best trades because I can buy a ton of it, tons of it, And smaller caps, if you have smaller bags, you make the most money on Kucoin. 164 days until the halving for Litecoin. Now, I was taking some profits earlier based on Bitcoin pullback ideas. There's a ton of resistance for Bitcoin on the weekly chart, right? So it wasn't surprised to see Bitcoin pull back a little bit. Didn't break it on first attempt. Okay. Now, the Litecoin halving is coming on August the 2nd, all right, which is, there's plenty of time for this. But if you flip this level, if you flip $100 basically, right? See this, look, watch this pullback, support, 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 right? Well, now it's a ceiling. Now it's a ceiling. I shaved and I took some profits off Litecoin, right? I started telling you guys about the Litecoin halving right here, okay? Months and months ago. And so you've seen a tremendous run up, right? 50, 60, 70% gains if you listened. Now, if you flip 100, there's potentials you run up to 140, 160 on a long-term scale. Keep an eye on Litecoin, like news, the Bitcoin halving. Have you seen the chart, my charts from the Bitcoin halving? This is me. This is what I do. Crypto nerd. Here you go. This is what Bitcoin does before the halving. Look at this. This is Bitcoin halving. Okay, something similar for Litecoin halving. You saw a 79% run up. This is the previous, this is 2016 halving, right? You saw the previous, and again, last Bitcoin halving, we saw a huge run up in Bitcoin, but actually it drops before the actual halving happened. And again, this was the time before last. Okay, so I'm looking for Litecoin to do something similar. So if you don't know what coins to buy, there's a run up coming prior to August the 2nd, and really it's already started. And remember, when this thing pumped out of the blue, Litecoin pumped, this started the whole bullish idea that we've seen playing out, how I knew to look and start posting a ton of altcoin charts, which I did. Lit is one of those coins where we posted in group. Let me see, I posted it January 25th, Lit, breakout level, or trendline support is an entry idea. So Lit posted right here, didn't break out, broke out here, and now you're up. Let me just pull the number. You're up 41% on Lit. These coins, if they don't immediately explode, you guys have got to understand what's going on. Total 2 large caps. If Ethereum was freaking pumping, this would be taking off. Ethereum has been slowly moving, right? Large caps slowly moving compared to some of the small caps. Definitely coins on Kucoin doesn't be believable. This is the easiest money you can make in crypto right now. This is it, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.